Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, Life with Ansu. I am so excited for today's episode because we are cooking today. You know the saying, the way to a man's heart is through his stomach? I think it's a way to everyone's heart. So why not start it off with some food? This is called a roasted chicken with potatoes. It is actually my go-to meal because it's so easy to make and it is so delicious. Plus, you will have almost all the ingredients in your pantry. All right, now let's take a look at the ingredients. You need 3 pounds of drumstick and thighs, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of thyme, half teaspoon of ginger, 2 tablespoons of fresh rosemary, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, salt and pepper as desired, 1 whole lemon. You need 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 pound of baby potatoes, 1 tablespoon of rosemary for the potatoes, and you need 12 cloves of garlic. Now let's put all the ingredients together. Chicken with bone-in, skin on will give it much better flavor. If you don't have Dijon mustard at home, then you can substitute it with mustard powder, which I have done before. If you don't have lemon at home, you can put 2 tablespoons of orange juice and it tastes just as fine. Now let's give this a really good mix. I'm actually excited to eat already. Add the chicken pieces and give it a good mix. Let all the marinade get on it. You can put the lemon on top of it or keep it on the side. I wrap it up in plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight. I have my oven preheated to 425 and I had the chicken and the lemon in the fridge overnight. Now let's prepare our potatoes. So what I like to do, I personally love these baby potatoes. Make sure you wash them. So I cut some of them and then I leave the rest as it is. And let's see. If you cut it, it will be crispy. Let me cut some of them. Some of them I'm just gonna leave it. Add the rosemary, salt, and pepper, and just drizzle a little bit of olive oil. You don't need a lot at all for the potatoes. And give it a really good mix. Oops, lost one. Now cut the lemon. I do about 4 pieces. I don't put any oil or butter on the pan because there's already olive oil on the chicken and the potatoes. So I just lay them down as it is. All right, now let's put some more of the marinade on top of the chicken and add the potatoes. Now take the lemon pieces and wipe off the remaining marinade and add it to the pan. Make sure the garlic is unpeeled or else it will get burned, and just scatter it throughout the pan. Put this in the oven for an hour to hour and a half. I had mine for 1 hour. It just really depends on your oven. So that's about it. I just got it out of the oven and this smells so good. Let me show you guys a piece. As I'm cutting this, it's very tender and juicy, yet crispy on the outside. every bite is so good. You guys are gonna love this. No joke.
Hey, can you hurry up? Because I like a bite.
He's literally been standing there looking at me eat for a while. Remember I told you guys about the potato? If you cut it, it gets crispy. Delicious. Let me show you guys the garlic. Literally, it will just come out. Looks like this. Oh, messed it up, but. You want some, Noah? So good. So this is a lemon. To me, I usually eat the lemon after I'm done with everything. It's like refreshing. Love it. That's like perfect to top it off with. If you guys want to, you guys can put parsley on top of it too. I'm not really into parsley, but it's up to you. I want to thank you so much for those that subscribe to my channel. If you haven't yet, please do subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what your go-to food that you make for yourself or for your family. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you soon.